With a big selection of crypto assets and low fee, Huobi has proven to be one of the most leading and secured platforms for cryptocurrency purchases and trading. If you are a new trader and interested in this exchange, this video is for you. Today I will show you a detailed instruction on how to get the 2022 sign-up bonus on this exchange and how you can sign up and verify yourself to trade. Let's go! So what you want to do first is to go to the description box down below and click on the Huobi register link. So basically by doing that you can enjoy the 20% off all trading fees on Huobi. And then from here you want to fill in your email and then password of your choice. And finally just click on sign up. And then to verify that you are not a robot, you just have to slide this puzzle. Next, the code will be sent to your email. You just need to open your email, copy the code, and paste it back on the page like this. And that's it, you have been signed up. Then from here, in order to secure your account and all of your transaction, just go ahead and turn on the two-factor authentication. To do this, you just need to click on the account icon right here and then choose account and security. Here you will have two options to turn on your security. The first one is GA verification or Google authentication verification. The second one is SMS verification. So here we will go ahead and do the SMS verification first. Just click on SMS verification. Next, you will have to fill in your phone number here. And then click on Get Code. And the SMS verification code will be sent to your phone. You just have to copy the code and paste it back on the page. So after filling in your SMS code, you just go ahead and click on Confirm. And then from here, you will have to enter your email verification code. Just click on Get Code and the code will be sent to your email. Copy the code and paste it back on the page. And then click on Confirm. Here you can see the notification that your phone has been linked successfully. If you want to have more bonuses or to learn more about crypto, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to CoinF Master. Turn on the notification bell to always see our newest video. Now scrolling down and you can see the Google Authenticator tab here. So you would want to click on link and then download the Google Authenticator app into your phone. You can find it in your App Store or in case you are using an Android, then just open your Google Play. Here on my phone you can see the Authenticator app. And what you want to do is to open it and then click on the plus sign at the top corner right here and just go ahead and click on Scan Barcode. Move your phone camera in front of the barcode on the screen and you would want to scan it. And then a new account will be created in the app. So right in that new account area, you can see the 6-digit code running with a timer. So pay attention here because you would want to fill in this 6-digit code into the page before the timer runs out. Because if the timer is out, the code will be expired and then a new code will appear. When a new code appears, you just go ahead and copy the code and paste it back on the page. So after filling in the code, you just go ahead and click on submit. And then next, you will have to get the SMS and email code again. Just click on get code and the SMS code will be sent to your phone. Again, copy and paste the code back on the page. Then the similar process will be applied to the email code. After filling in all of the code, just click on confirm. And then you're done. So you can see here the security levels of your account is really high, which means that your account and all of your transactions are now secured. So next, in order to lock your referral code that you used earlier, we will continue with the KYC process. So on this page, you just go ahead and click on the account icon at the top corner and then choose identification. And on this page, you can see that there are 3 levels of KYC. The first one is for users who have signed up but have not completed their identity verification. So the maximum daily withdrawal limit for this level would be 0.06 Bitcoins a day. If you want a higher or unlimited limit for your daily withdrawal or transaction on Huobi, then you will have to verify yourself by doing the KYC process. So the limits will be stated clearly on the page at each level of KYC when you start doing it. And now to start the ID verification, you just go ahead and click on Verify button right here. So in this step, you will have to verify your ID document. You can select between your ID card, passport, or driver license. After selecting your ID document, you just go ahead and click on Verify. Select the country that issued your document and then select the document type again. So here you will have to take a photo of your ID card. You can choose either to upload your front and back document, or you can continue this step on your phone. To me, the uploading method is less complicated than the other one. So I'm just go ahead and choose upload front and back photo of my document. And after completing this step, you just go ahead and click on Next. Now the system will review your documents in 5 minutes at least and up to 6 hours at maximum. And after it is done, you will be notified through your SMS, email, or internal message. And that's it. That is how you verify yourself on Huobi. Easy, right? If you are looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto exchange, check out the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master because it's free. And turn on the notification bell because we have so much more crypto bonuses that we cannot wait to share with you. Goodbye for now and see you in the next video.